Welcome to Chica, a leading stainless steel sink supplier in China. We specialize in manufacturing high-quality stainless steel sinks for the North American market, catering to a wide range of customers including stone fabricators, cabinet dealers, building material suppliers, and online retailers. Our product line includes both stamped and handmade sinks, PVD sinks in Foshan City, and we also have a granite composite sink production base located in Jiangmen City. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and our dedication to meeting the needs of our customers. The manufacturing process of a stamped sink typically involves several steps. Firstly, a sheet of stainless steel is cut and shaped into the desired sink design using specialized cutting and forming tools. Next, the sink is subjected to a series of shaping processes, such as stretching and deep drawing, to achieve the desired shape and size. After shaping, the sink undergoes a series of finishing processes, including polishing and buffing, to achieve a smooth and shiny surface. Finally, the sink is inspected for quality and durability before being shipped to customers. The manufacturing process of a handmade is very different from the stamped sink. Firstly, the artisans carefully select high-quality stainless steel sheets and cut them into the desired size and shape. The artisans then carefully weld the various pieces together, creating a seamless and durable sink. After welding, the sink is polished and buffed to achieve a smooth and shiny surface. The artisans pay close attention to every detail, ensuring that the sink is not only beautiful but also functional and long-lasting. The resulting handmade sink is a true work of art and a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of the artisans who create it. At Chica, we understand the importance of delivering products that not only meet but exceed our customers' expectations. That's why we use only the finest materials and the most advanced manufacturing techniques to produce our sinks. Our goal is to provide our customers with products that are not only functional and durable, but also beautiful and stylish. We believe that our success is built on the relationships we have with our customers. That's why we place a strong emphasis on customer service and support, and strive to ensure that our customers are completely satisfied with every aspect of their experience with Chica. Thank you for considering Chica as your partner for all your kitchen sink needs. We look forward to working with you and helping your business grow.